Welcome to Vocab Wednesday. I am Chris with Magoosh, and today's theme is a word. That's pretty cool. Today's theme is potpourri. Potpourri is just a random jumble assortment medley of something. So we have a random assortment of words. I couldn't really think of a theme, and then I thought, hey, what about potpourri? And then potpourri could actually be a word because it's a bona fide vocabulary word. Interestingly, it can come up in many different contexts. Even in Jeopardy, which is this game show that I love to watch, there's this one category which is potpourri. It could be about anything. So, just like this Vocab Wednesday, it can be about anything. It could even be about fish. Huh? Untrammeled? Well, a trammel is a fishnet. I've been caught in a trammel. However, not really used in that sense on the GRE, but the idea of something trammels you, it restrains you. Now, the word trammel barely comes up with the English language, but somehow untrammeled became popular. So if you're untrammeled, you've cast off the fishnet, so to speak, the restraints. You are uninhibited. You are free to roam and explore. So if you are 15 years old, living at home with your parents, you probably do not live an untrammeled existence. But if you are on your own and independent, then indeed you are untrammeled. Now, you may say, oh my God, the GRE is totally trammeling me, dude. Well, don't worry about that, because when you are done, you will be untrammeled, GRE-wise. Next word. Again, potpourri, totally random. It's mercenary. Mercy's in there. Has something to do with mercy? No, it has something to do with money, but in a bad way. Someone's mercenary, they'll do anything, even if it's totally unethical, as long as there's money. So let's say I'm mercenary, no ethics. Someone says, hi, Mr. Chris, I'll pay $10,000 if you take my GRE. Well, if I'm mercenary, it'd be like $50,000. And then I do something really bad. But of course, do not be mercenary. Bad thing to do. And again, it doesn't just apply to taking tests or doing something illegal, but if anyone pays you to do something, you do it just for the money. That is mercenary. Finally, tenable. If something is tenable, it can be justified and defended. Taking the GRE for someone else is not tenable on any level. Interestingly, the opposite of this word is untenable, which has come up before. And untenable means completely inexcusable. How could you possibly do such a thing? There's no way you can defend it. So again, tenable is something you can defend. Is it tenable to forget these words and never think about them again? No, highly untenable. Remember them, and I will see you next week.